So you want to start to make money online with copy trading or Forex? Well, you come to the correct place. The best broker for copy trading is Pure Prime. And best of all, with my link below the video, you will get 50% extra on your first deposit in most countries, and in some countries even 100% on your first deposit. Sadly, it will not work for people that are living in Australia, living in the United States. So use the second broker for there. So if you want to get started there, sadly, this broker do not have copy trading, but just hit me up and I will give you a very good Forex robot to make up this, okay? So that's enough with the introduction. Let's get started. So now let's take a look here. As you can see, I have brought up my cell phone here now. So you'll be able to see how it will look like for you. Because yes, for the copy trading part, it will be on your tablet or cell phone, not on your computer. Okay. So you can sign up with your computer. You can download MetaTrader and all this like you do in any broker. But for the copy trading part, you need to use this you see here. So I have logged in now and made a copy trading account, and here it's how it will looks like when you have signed up everything. Takes you a couple of minutes to do everything. Okay, so as we can see here now, I'm looking down because I have my cell phone here, just so you know. So as you can see, we have most copied, highest annual return, and lowest risk. I think in this video we will go and take a look at most copied. So let's go there. Let's see. Let's go all the way over here and view all. Now we are getting a list with all the ones that we can copy. Okay, so what we prefer to see here is what says risk 1. Okay, so as you can see, the one in top here is risk 2. I prefer risk 1, but let's take a look at this Mr. Professor. So as you can see, he's actually trading pretty darn good. Let's see, daily return. Let's see, if you push here, we have a 0.61, 95, 1%, very constant. Just 1 day in loss, but the loss was just the same like the profit he had today. So this looks pretty good. Let's take to weekly. Let's see how that looks like. See, he make profit every single week. That's what you want to see. And then let's take monthly. As you can see, he only lost money 1 month. That was in October last year. Otherwise, you can see he made operate up 250% in September last year. Otherwise, you see he's around 60, 28. December makes sense, right? No, wait. This is this month, of course, and this month I just is not done yet. So 2.52%. But last month in January, he made almost 30%. So this is one that you see made constant profit. Now let's look at the drawdown. Let's see if we have, do we have our drawdown something here? Let's see if we have that type of information. That looks like we have a 94% win rate. Nice to see. Average holding time, okay, so he's holding 42 hours in average. Okay, so you can say like he's holding around 2 days, makes sense. It's often what I do also. He trade like 4 times a week, so he's quite active. And we see he's keeping to 2. That means also he's trading, as you can see here now, he's also trading for cryptocurrency, so that means he's trading Saturday and Sunday also, so 7 days a week, so that's cool. And for Forex, he's only trading euro against dollar. It's the easiest one, by the way. And you see he have a 90% win rate. So all in all, this is one I would say would be a smart person to copy. And of course, as you can see, he had 23,000 people. So it's in his best interest to do good trades, because he make of course good money from this also, because everyone, they have a certain fee to copy. So this really makes sense. Really makes sense. So yeah, I would say this would be a good one. So if you want to get started, that would be a person that I would think about copying. So now you're thinking, how much should I deposit to get started with copy trading? I would say you start it whatever you want to, of course. You can start with less, but at a minimum like around $100 I think would be a good amount to get started. So, but like I said, that is completely up to you what you feel for. If it's $50, I think $50 is basically the minimum you can put in with this broker. So I will say $100 would be a nice amount to get started. Of course, if you can go in with 1,000, is then you can start to see some good profits, because you see it around 30% a month in average. So if you have 1,000, that means you would make like $300 the first month. If you add that into the next month, of course, will be a little will compound, so you get more and more. So all is after how much you want to make. So if you put in $100, then you're making around 30%. 30%, then it will be like $30, I mean. So up to you how you want to start this career by copying people. Sit and relax and let other people do the hard job for you. What I would suggest you to do, copy. Now we found one, for example, here, but you can see you have bunch of people to copy. I would say find like 3 different type of people that you copy. So let's say you go in with $300, put in $100 each people. If you see one that is, for example, higher risk but is making a lot of money, what you can do then, put a small amount into that person and put a higher amount into the more safer people. And then maybe with this one that is trading more risky, take out the profit, put into the safe ones, and do that all the time. Then the one that is trading crazy can fund the other ones that are trading safer, and you can build that way also. It's a strategy. You can play a little around with that. I will come up with many type of strategies like this, but for this video I think this is enough. I hope you enjoy, and I will set up some good strategy for you going forward for how you can do this, which one to copy, and things like this. We can start to make a list. I can set up, copy this and this and this and this person, and you can get started like that. So I can find 3 good people, maybe find some risky that can make sense to put in a small amount, and things like this. So with that, make also sure that you subscribe to my channel. You will also see that I'm doing many videos for how to use indicators to be trading and things like this. We are now currently doing a test there, so I hope you enjoy these type of videos. Also, like this video, of course, you help me tremendously just by doing that. Subscribe to my channel, like I said, turn the bell notification on. If you have any question at all, put them below the video. This also helped me to start to reboost my channel, because as you will see, I have very few views compared with the amount of people that are following me. This is because I was not active for many months, and I'm now trying to reactivate the channel so I can start to get some views again, and you can help me with that. So with that, have an amazing day, and I'll see you on the next.